सर तो अंदर आ जाए ना, फ्रेम से बाहर। फ्रेम से बाहर नहीं, अंदर से
all of them. Just do something funky. Funky.
वो सुधीर मिश्रा का बंदा मेरे को फोन करेगा।
Sorry, we just.
ओके। हाँ हो गया।
गाड़ी गई।
सब लोग को वहाँ पे सब लोग को वहाँ सिंगल
Okay, we walk through though.
they want
बाकी लोग कहाँ हैं? आ जाओ।
Sir,
Come. Farida ji is just coming in a minute.
Farida ji is audio for media.
yes steady also
Thank you.
आपका हो गया?
yeah excuse me yeah excuse me both of you यहाँ पे
them over, and really I would like to thank all your kids, your nephews, nieces, the kids in your colony and in your community. Please thank them on my behalf, on our behalf, for the love that they've given us, and also all of you as parents. Thank you for the kind of approval that you give us every day. In this journey, we now feel that the time is right to complement our entertainment offering by providing wholesome, fun, clean, optimistic entertainment for the entire family. The idea really is to be able to entertain kids and families together. And every single step that we've taken in this direction is essentially reinforcing everything that Disney stands for. Two characters who pretty much drive the show, Ashwin, aka Goldie Ahuja, and Namit from the series.
क्या यार? अरे बेटा लेट हो गए ना तो काबुली सर जो है वो क्लास में एंट्री नहीं देंगे। हाँ और क्या? तो चलो पहुंच गए जल्दी। ओह हेलो एवरीबॉडी, गोल्डी हो गया, टॉक टू मी, हेलो सर। हाँ जी, हाँ सब ठीक है? हैं? आवाज नहीं आ रही यार? कौन? और ये मेरा बेटा है, हैरी हो गया। हेलो। हम दोनों एक ही क्लास में। मैं फ्लैट में भी प्रेजेंट।
So Ashwin, आपसे मैं ये पहले before I have to tell you all, my Hindi is terrible. All right, so my name is Vijay Subramaniam. I guess you get it.
My English is fantastic.
Lovely. तो सबसे पहले आपको जब आपने यूनिफॉर्म पहना, when you got the role and you wore a school uniform, what were the reactions at home?
सर मैं जब यहाँ आया हूँ तो मेरी मम्मी ने बोला पहले डिसेंट बनना सीखो, By the way, let me be very decent. Hello everybody, and hello Disney, and thank you very much for giving me this platform. ताकि मैं आप लोगों के बीच आऊँ और आज आप उनसे फेस टू फेस बात करूँ. आपका सवाल ये था कि सबसे पहली बात, जब मैंने ये कॉस्ट्यूम पहना और जब ये रोल मुझे ये मिला, ये तो बाय लक था. And I'm very grateful to my destiny, very grateful to Disney Channel for giving me this platform. और जब ये ड्रेस पहन के मेरी मम्मी के सामने मैंने देखा तो मेरी मम्मी बेहोश हो गई. सच में बोल रहा हूँ. और मुझे वाकई ये पहनकर अभी भी फील हो रहा है कि आई एम बैक इन माई स्कूल. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे मेरा बचपन जो है वापस आ गया है. आई एम reliving my life of school once again.
Fantastic. That brings me to the next question, which is now that you're back in school, क्या आपको कोई फर्क नजर आ रहा है between school life then and school life now?
ऐसा कुछ खास फर्क तो नहीं नजर आ रहा. बच्चे बच्चे होते हैं. मेरी आवाज शेर जैसी है यार. बच्चे बच्चे होते हैं. ये भी बच्चे, हम भी बच्चे. स्कूल में गए, कच्छे पहन के, और साथ साथ में क्या हुआ, एक बॉन्डिंग रहती है. साथ में बैठ के होमवर्क करते हैं, पिकनिक जाते हैं, अपना इमोशन शेयर करते हैं. और सबसे दुखी टाइम वो होता है जब स्कूल से अपने दोस्तों के साथ वी पार्ट वेज, then we go to next life, college or here.
Excellent. Namit, this is for you. Imagine in real life if your dad was actually your classmate. अगर आपके classmate बन के आ गए तो तुम्हारा क्या रिएक्शन होगा?
मुझे मजा आ रहा था. मेरी पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग में भी मेरे पापा मेरे साथी होते. उसके बाद अगर मेरे पापा को कम मार्क्स आते तो मैं उनको डांटता.
मेरा जवाब ये होता कि मैं इसे पहचानता ही नहीं. ये मेरा बाबू ही नहीं. और मैं इसको क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये बोलता कि बेटा कोई भी पूछे कि तेरे पापा ने ऐसे क्या बोलते, मेरे पापा के हार्मोन्स बड़े हो गए.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's Goldie Ahuja Metric Pass. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Moving on to the next concept that we'd like to share with you is Man na Man. Come sit. So Harsh, my first question is for you. इस कॉन्सेप्ट में से, इस कॉन्सेप्ट की वजह से तो बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स आए होंगे, right? But any ones that are truly special, ones that you have picked out as your favorites?
It's been just an amazing experience shooting for the show, and after a long time we've all got a chance to do a show which is so much full of energy and fun. We've almost completed more than 10 episodes now, but a few things which come to my mind are, for example, we had a character where Shakuni Mama comes in from the frame, and हम जब shoot कर रहे थे तो he had to throw the dice, you know, 2 dice होते हैं, and strangely, magically, every time, say out of 15 times, at least 10 times he threw the dice, he got double sixes, or if the scene required 5 and 2 7, he got that, and we were all amazed shooting it, like, how is he getting it? You know, that was crazy. And एक और I can say, Mohan Kapoor came as a Jadugar, and we were all in the middle doing our lines, and he was wearing that Jadugar's hat, and all of a sudden a pigeon comes out of nowhere and comes and sits on his head. So that's magic, and we were like, hello magician, and that pigeon never comes to ground level. He just came and sat on Mohan's head, and we were like, hello Jadugar ji, what is happening over here? You know? So these are 2 instances I can think of. There's a lot of fun doing a lot of episodes. Please do watch, it's really nice.
So you spend a lot of time on sets, obviously. I promise you it's worth it. So any member from the cast that you spend a lot of, you know, you've really bonded with and you spend a lot of time with?
Yeah, Hetal Puniwala, who plays my brother, he's a lovely singer. So it has so become that he sings and I play the table or the cupboard or whatever's available. So that's fun. And of course Shubh and the other kids, I do pranayam in the morning, and before the scene we all sit together, do pranayam for 15-20 minutes. So that's become like a ritual on the set. The rest we are all a team, and it's really like a family, so it's great fun.
Lovely. Farida ji, any favorite dil ko chhu jaye moments from the sets? something that you believe is truly unique to the show and what's going on?
The best part of our show is we belong to the Optimistic family. Optimistic from Vipul Shah to the Spot Boy is one big thick family. And even the DOP, even the director, even the artist, everybody, it's a must thing that we all sit together and have lunch. Our table is from there to there.
Wow.
People don't get chairs. They're standing, but we all are together. It's like one big family.
And I must say, Farida ji gets food every day for all of us.
It reflects the values of the show as well, I guess. So, Shobh, you watch a lot of animation. You love animation. So, if you had to classify Harsh and Farida ji as animated characters, who do you think they would be in your world?
दादी could be fairy godmother.
Okay.
Because वो हमारे साथ बहुत मस्ती करती हैं, हमारा ध्यान रखती हैं. She's very kind और हमारा बहुत ख्याल रखती हैं और हम सबको बहुत प्यार. और हर्ष चाचू could be goofy. Because वो हमारे साथ सेट पे बहुत मस्ती करते हैं, हमारे साथ बहुत खेलते हैं और हमारे साथ योगा भी करते हैं.
Wow. I guess these are all the perks of working for a Disney show.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Maan Maan Main Tera Main. Thank you. The next show is Kabhi Aise Geet Gaya Karo. As the title suggests, some of the industry veterans who we are really proud to have